Alright guys, welcome on in.
Sold.
I think the app is bugging a little bit. Here we go. We're in the building. Alright. I wanted to get in here today because you guys said that you guys liked when we got in here to the live auction. So I wanted to come in here today and just take a look at some of the vehicles that were popping up. Today we're looking in Florida.
Hot lot.
And see if the prices have come down from the retail costs that some of these cars were selling for, to see if they're back down to a reasonable rate. This Kia with mechanical damage is selling for a ton. Ugh. Scrape on the rear quarter, front bumper jacked up.
Bonus time.
Yeah. Does only have 72,000 miles on it though, but jeez.
Sold.
Ugh. Ouch. Front suspension, fender, ugh. These Honda Odysseys, though, I've learned are pretty dope. In the terms of, they're pretty quick. I was surprised. All those airbags are busted. Yeah. The fact that this is already at $3,000 is ridiculous. Pre-accident value. Look, this is what I'm talking about. Pre-accident value. I love that they have this now. $14,593, right? On a perfect day. So let's say like $12,000.
Sold.
So you just paid $36.50 for that, and you're gonna have to put $4,000 to $5,000 into it to fix it. That doesn't make any sense. Smashed.
Sold.
$850. That's more like it, for real. 257,000 miles, and it's got undercarriage damage. Oof.
Sold.
Okay, we have a zip tie on the Hyundai logo. That's interesting. Huh. $675. It is a flood vehicle, so it probably smells like straight ass. Huh. Okay, I see y'all over there in the UAE. Y'all got a bunch of Hyundai and Kia boys over there, because these cars are the ones that are... People laugh. The push-button ones now are getting stolen because of the electronic keys. I haven't had a chance to do a video on that, but I will. Samsung literally just suspended the ability to download and share the Kia keys via mobile. Like, you can't text somebody a key to your car now.
Sold on approval.
When you used to be able to do that. 2011 Ford Mustang. Oh my God. I guess they were doing what Mustangs do, huh? Jesus. Yeah. I needed that screenshot right there. Oh. The fact this is selling for $300 is amazing to me. I mean, maybe there's some interior parts or something you could make money back on, but
Sold.
Oh my God, that was horrible. Oh, the quintessential food stamp car, the Chevy Malibu. Yeah, no. This car's smashed. I mean, suspension, fender, hood, door, rear quarter.
Bonus time.
The fact that it's at 1500, just,
Sold.
Ford Taurus doesn't look horrible. That damage though. With the suspension, yeah.
Sold.
Yeah, that's a nightmare vehicle. 2,800. They're gonna spend so much money trying to fix that though.
Sold on approval.
The Scion, the itty bitty roller skate. I'm sorry, somebody bidding on that? No. No, y'all not, man. No way y'all are bidding this up, man. Stop it. Stop it right now. Busted out rear window. I mean, this thing is clapped out, man.
Bonus time.
Hell no, y'all didn't just pay $475 for this, man. It's always fun watching the retard sweepstakes. Alright, now this is something I would expect to get bid up. Alright? Jeez. Clean. 34,000 miles.
This is a hot lot.
Oh, it's got its own VIN number. So it had an altered VIN. It had a burn in the engine, replaced VIN. Huh. It does not say. Alright, let me go back here and look. I don't see. Let's see if I can go to HD here. There we go. I don't see a lot of burnt. I don't see anything burnt in the engine, though. I mean, it does have Ferrari pedigree, so that wouldn't surprise me. Ugh.
Bonus time.
It's still worth 43 grand. It is a 17. It is a S. 11?
Sold on approval.
That's not bad if you can get it running, though. For real. Wow. No, somebody did not pay $200 for this car.
Sold.
Oh my God. Yeah, these old Chargers are quickly becoming the new Mustang. At least this one's a V8. No way that's a Daytona. Somebody just put that sticker on it.
Sold.
Yeah. Ooh, shiny. You know, I'm a sucker for these, so. Oh, that's clean. For a project to rebuild. So that one went for $1,100. That's not bad. This Camry with 175,000 miles on it. If that's just a fender,
sold.
That could be a good little first car project. 2018 XT5 Luxury. Well, that is a VIN swap candidate right there, if I've ever seen one. Somebody bought it for $225 though.
Sold.
Yeah. What are they buying that for? Honda Ridgeline. I always wonder when they were going to limit who can buy completely burned out vehicles and stuff. Because that's literally, you're literally buying that car for
Sold
scrap,
on approval.
or you're buying it for the VIN number. That's it. You're not buying that car for anything else. Yeah, food stamp car. Nobody won't. Did somebody literally just throw a bid on it just because? Stop it, man.
Sold.
Let somebody get a win. Damn. $250. Yeah, that Odyssey smashed. Completely smashed.
Sold.
Yeah, nah. Hey. No. Oh, that's done. But they have this listed as rebuildable. I don't know. I guess you could cut the pillars and like weld in a new roof. I don't know. Maybe, I guess. I guess that's possible. 211,000 miles. Could be a good powertrain candidate because it does have the 6.7 Cummins in it. You could tear that out and throw it in something else.
Sold.
Yep, creeper van available. For the low, it runs $225.
Sold.
Ouch. Ooh, I didn't know that hurt. I don't care what anybody says. That right there. You got to run smooth up the back.
This is a hot lot.
Certified pre-owned. And they're bidding this up. Certificate of destruction, meaning you can't put this back on the road.
Bonus time.
Not here anyway. So it is going to sell overseas for sure.
Sold.